Let's explore how to clean, use, and understand the features of your new Beverage refrigerator. First things first, before use, let your fridge stand upright for a full 24 hours before plugging it in. Make sure the device is squeaky clean for optimal performance before its first use. Okay, it's been 24 hours, time to power up. Plug it into a dedicated outlet. Don't use an extension cord. Plug it in and you'll hear a friendly beep. The display will light up. Shelves are removable. You can tilt up and slide out. The default temperature is a perfect 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Press up or down to choose your temp, between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 61 degrees Fahrenheit. The number will flash while you set it. It stops flashing to show the actual temperature inside. Before fully loading beverages, close the door tightly. Pre-cool the unit for 2 hours at the default temperature. After loading, the display will show a temporary rise in internal temperature. Close the door tightly. Once beverages cool to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, adjust the thermostat to your desired temperature. Don't worry, it'll gradually cool down to your chosen setting. This button controls the LED light inside. Use it to show off your drinks or find your favorite soda. We hope you found this video helpful. Have any questions? Feel free to connect with us anytime.